So I don't know if we've ever ridden up through here. Maybe once, maybe twice, maybe a long time ago. But if they're unfamiliar curves and roads that it's been a while, or maybe you've never ridden them, and you want to do so at a reduced speed, right? That way you can gain information about what's coming. You're not used to this route. You're not used to these roads and curves. You don't know if there's dirt and gravel and sand and blah, 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 blah. So just slow down a little bit. It gives you more time, more space to analyze, to identify, to become aware of shit, and then make responsible, smart decisions on how to deal with it. Maybe there's nothing to deal with and you just cruise and it's fine. Maybe there's a bunch of gravel and you see it and then you make an adjustment and it's fine. Maybe there's a left turning vehicle and you see it and you're fine. That's what it's all about, man. Be the change you want to see. So yeah, take your time through an unfamiliar route, or maybe even a familiar route, maybe, right? Maybe you rode it earlier today, a few hours ago. I came up here and ripped all through here and it was great. And then a couple hours later, I want to go do it again. Maybe something has changed in those last couple hours and I should kind of slow it down and treat it like it's unfamiliar. Maybe that's a good strategy for survival and longevity and not crashing and dying. I don't know. What do I know? I'm nobody. I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing.